Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the CoasTeering Ultra Nebula cordless pool vacuum robot. I researched this pool robot across the internet to see what it offers. And if you want cordless cleaning with strong suction, long runtime, and wall-to-waterline coverage, this one is worth checking out. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The Ultra Nebula is built around 3 high-performance brushless motors producing up to 5,580 GPH of suction. That gives it plenty of power for collecting common pool debris, including sand, leaves, gravel, hair, small twigs, and other dirt that can settle on the pool surface. What really makes this cleaner interesting is its smart navigation system. Instead of moving randomly around the pool, it's designed to systematically cover the floor, walls, and waterline. The high-traction tracks and PVA rollers help it maintain grip while climbing inward-sloping walls up to 108 degrees, which is a major advantage if you want more than basic floor cleaning. You also get 4 cleaning modes, allowing you to choose a cleaning pattern suited to different pool shapes and surfaces. This flexibility makes the Ultra Nebula useful for a variety of pools rather than limiting it to one particular setup. Another major selling point is the battery. The Ultra Nebula offers up to 180 minutes of runtime, or 3 hours, and is designed to clean pools up to 3,229 square feet on a single cycle. That's a substantial amount of cleaning time for a cordless pool robot. Recharge time is listed at roughly 2.5 to 3.7 hours, so you'll need to plan between cleaning sessions, but the extended runtime should make it practical for larger pools. I also like the smart auto-docking feature. When cleaning is finished or the battery gets low, the robot can automatically return toward a preset pickup location near the pool wall. That means you don't have to jump into the pool or struggle with a long cable just to retrieve your cleaner. For deeper pools, this could be especially convenient. And because this is a cordless system, setup is extremely simple. There's no power cable floating around the pool, no complicated installation, and no app required. You drop the robot into the water, press the button, and let it work. It's designed for vinyl, tile, concrete, and fiberglass surfaces, and it can be used in both saltwater and freshwater pools. There's still a few things to consider. A cordless robot depends on its internal battery, so extremely large or heavily contaminated pools may require additional cleaning cycles. And while the smart navigation and wall climbing are major advantages, actual performance can vary depending on pool shape, surface condition, and debris levels. The Ultra Nebula is also more sophisticated than a basic floor-only pool vacuum, so you're paying for features like triple brushless motors, extended battery life, intelligent navigation, wall cleaning, and automatic docking. Overall, the CoasTeering Ultra Nebula looks like a strong choice for pool owners who want maximum convenience without dealing with cords or complicated installation. Its 5,580 GPH suction, 180-minute runtime, smart navigation, wall and waterline cleaning, and automatic return system give it a compelling feature set. After researching the product, my recommendation is to buy it if you have a larger pool and want a hands-off cordless cleaner capable of handling both floors and walls. If you only need occasional basic floor cleaning, a cheaper robot may be enough. But for larger pools and more complete automated coverage, the Ultra Nebula is definitely worth considering.